Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Now students, as you know that you have to write while writing the English paper, you have to write a composition part also. It means that in the composition part you have to write the story writing, essay writing, letter writing, paragraph writing, advertisement writing, or etc. etc. Okay, in the composition part there are one part paragraph writing. Okay, while writing the paragraph, which point should have considered? While writing a paragraph, which point should you consider? That today we will see. Now, what is mean by paragraph? Let me first see the definition of paragraph. A paragraph is a number of sentences grouped together and relating to one topic or a group of related sentences that develop a single point. A paragraph means what? There are many sentences, but that many sentences are related to each other and that sentences are grouped together in a proper sequence that known as a paragraph. Okay, now in the exam you will get question like with the help of given points write a paragraph. So while writing that type of question you have to make sure that first you will read the point. But sometime you will get only the subject or the topic. Okay, and with the help of given subject or with the help of given topic you should have write a paragraph. Now while writing the paragraph, which point should you consider? That first we will see. While writing a paragraph, if you will get a points, if you will get a points for the paragraph writing, you should have first read that points. You should have first read that all the points properly. Okay, then after that you should have arranged them, then you should have write them in a paragraph. Now while writing a paragraph, which principles should you keep in mind? Let's see. There are three principles of paragraph writing. First is unity, second is order, and third is variety. Okay, now let's see unity. Now what do you mean by unity? The first and most important principle to be observed in constructing a paragraph is that of unity. While constructing a paragraph or while constructing or writing a paragraph, first and most important principle is unity. Unity means what? In Marathi we say the ekta. Okay. Just as each sentence deal one though. Unity means each sentence in the paragraph should be related to another. That all the sentences in the paragraph, while writing paragraph writing, all the sentences should have relate to each other. It means the unity. Okay, and when you will get the points for the paragraph writing, first you have to read all the points. After reading the points, you will have to decide what the title you will give to the paragraph. After deciding the title, you should have decide what the positive approach or the moral should I give at the end of paragraph. Okay, means at the beginning only you should have decided that which points should I write at the beginning, then which points which title should I give to this paragraph, and which positive approach should I write at the end. So these all things are united or united to each other. These all points should be united to each other. So for that you must read all the points of given question properly. Okay, then if there are no points, okay, sometimes there is only a subject. For example, the subject is write a paragraph about how you celebrated the Independence Day in your school. Okay, sometimes the question is that write a paragraph how you celebrated the Independence Day in your school. So immediately you can write about that because that thing has recently happened in your school. Okay, so yeah, there is no any thinking ability. You have to keep that what title should I give. Immediately you will come to know that I should have gave the title celebrated Independence Day or the Independence Day. Okay, now title have already you got. Now after that you should have make some points. If there are no points, then you should have make some points. Which point should I write for this paragraph writing? Like arriving of guest, students came, teacher came, then greeting to teachers, greeted to students, then flag hosting, then march past, then what we say, national anthem singing. Like all these points you have to make with your own mind. Okay, then if sometime there is point already given, then no need to make another point. But sometime if there is no points, then you should have make the rough point for your better understanding or your better writing. Okay, now next is order. Now order means what? Whatever the points you will get or whatever the points you have made, that points you should have arranged in a proper sequence or proper order. Now order means here in Marathi we can say the kram. Okay, here order means kram. It means whatever the points you have got in your question paper, that points you have sometimes are not in proper place, sometimes that points are misplaced. Okay, so that points you should have arranged in a proper order. Then if sometime you have made the points for the paragraph writing, then you should that time also sometimes some points are misplaced. So that points you should have arranged in a proper order, and then you should have write a proper paragraph. What comes at the beginning, what comes at the middle, what comes at the end. Now in the Independence Day paragraph writing, first you have to write the arrival of student. Okay, then after that arrival of student and teacher, then guest arrival, then line making, national anthem singing, march past. Okay, and at the end whatever if there is a prize distribution, then prize distribution and the vote of thanks, speeches, whatever that you have to arrange in a proper sequence, in a proper order, and you have to write in a proper order. Don't misplace any sentence. Remember that you should have write all the sentence in a proper sequence. You should not misplace any sentence. Okay, then next is variety. Now variety means what? Variety means sometimes some students have habits that only one sentence they have to write again and again, repeated way. So you should not repeat any sentence. You should not repeat any sentence. It means the variety. Variety means in Marathi we can say that vividhata. Okay, it means that in a sentence there should be a variety of sentence. Otherwise some students repeat one sentence again and again and again. So don't do that mistake. You should have write a proper and variety of sentences. Okay, now one more time I will explain the definition of paragraph. Paragraph means a paragraph is a number of sentence grouped together and relating to one topic or a group of related sentence that develop a single point. Develop a single point means for making a single point, making any issue or making any point, you should have write some sentences, but that sentences should be in a proper sequence, proper manner, and that sentences should be related to each other, that group sentences we can call a paragraph. Now, while writing paragraph, there are three principles you should have keep in your mind. First is unity. Unity means you have to write all the points related to each other. Related to each other means every sentence, each and every sentences should be related to each other. Okay. Then second is order. You should have write in a proper sequence, proper order. Every sentence you should have write in a proper sequence. Don't misplace any sentence. And last is variety. You should have write the sentence in a variety of sentences. You should not repeat any sentence again and again. And most important thing, you should have give at the beginning title for the paragraph. Title you have to give to the paragraph. Proper paragraphs you have to make. And at the end, you have to give a key line or the positive approach line or the moral. Okay, at the end you should have give this thing, because for that positive approach or the moral or for the key line there are mark. Okay, there is one mark for the moral or the key line or the positive approach. What the positive approach you are giving, for that there is a one mark. तुम्ही at the end ला कोणता positive approach देताय त्याला marks हा नक्कीच असतात. Okay. Now these things keep in your mind: unity, order and variety. Now in notes I will give the detail of paragraph writing and some examples of paragraph writing also. Thank you.